Vicodin Detox directions. More and more people today find themselves wallowing in the depths of some form of addiction. Although the debilitating effects of drug addiction raised considerable alarm, there are still some people who are carelessly taking the risks just for a few hours of mindless escape from the cruel realities of life. People have found addictive substances as a powerful and effective crutch to help them go through life just a little more boldly. One of the most highly abused drugs today is the prescription pain medication known as Vicodin. One of its main components is opium, which can also be used in the production of heroin. People who are addicted to Vicodin are expected to suffer extreme depression and impairment of their cognitive abilities. Patients who found themselves addicted to the said substance have deluded themselves into believing that they are taking the drug to alleviate physical pain when in fact they are actually obsessed with the high it provides. Because of the extreme craving for the said substance, Vicodin addicts would not hesitate to break the law or harm other people just to get another dose. This is such a serious case that should be given a lot more attention and interest by the public. There are some Vicodin detox directions provided by health experts to help flush out the harmful toxins that have accumulated in the person's body. Like any other drug detoxification programs, the Vicodin detox directions should only be provided by a competent detox and rehabilitation facility. Since Vicodin addicts are expected to undergo difficult and often painful withdrawal symptoms, it would be best to seek the help of trained medical professionals. They are more capable of dealing with any possible health complications or behavioral problems that are expected to arise during the first few days of the abrupt discontinuation of Vicodin. One of the most important Vicodin detox directions does not only advises the physical purging of the toxic wastes that have accumulated in the body, but to also incorporate some counseling programs. It is imperative to address not only the physical complications, but also the emotional and psychological distress that the patients will experience. Vicodin detox direction states that all aspects should be covered in relation to the patient's withdrawal and cleansing process. It is vital that all traces of Vicodin will be eliminated in the system to eliminate the patient's cravings to take another pills. Aside from this, detoxification, when administered early, can lessen the adverse effects of the overdosage of Vicodin in the body.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.